Soulxgasms here, welcome back to my channel. So, my best friend has finally decided to go natural. I am so excited, you guys. Like, I didn't really want to push my agenda, but then she messaged me one day. She was like, I going natural, and like, bro, I was so excited. So I decided to build her a natural hair transitioning kit so that she can just cut out that stressful process of trying to figure out what products to buy, because I don't want anything deterring her from going natural. So this should be even more motivation for her. We don't have the same hair type. I'm pretty sure when she does fully go natural, her hair will be in fours. So I spent a lot of time watching YouTube videos for girls with like 4C hair and stuff like that, just to see what products they be using, and yeah. So let's just dive right into it. First things first, I wanted to get her a conditioner. I wanted to get her either the Tresemme Curl Hydration, because I personally use that and I know it's a good conditioner for like detangling and even for like your cold washes and stuff like that. Or I saw a 4C girl recommend the Giovanni Tea Tree Triple Threat Invigorating Conditioner. But when I actually went in the store, I stumbled across this line. This shampoo, they have a conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, a twisting cream, a hair mask, and an edge control. So I decided to get this line instead because it was actually cheaper than the products I initially intended to buy. I watched a few videos on them from girls with type 4 hair, and it seemed to work really great for them. So you're gonna need a good cleanser, and I would suggest you get a sulfate free cleanser, and I would suggest getting a moisturizing cleanser, a moisturizing shampoo. The reason I suggest a moisturizing shampoo is because the moisturizing shampoo will also help you to like detangle, so you won't need to you wouldn't need to detangle before, and you wouldn't need to detangle before. Like, these moisturizing shampoos actually help you detangle while you're cleansing. So this is kind of like a 2-in-1 for me. So obviously a shampoo and a detangler. Instead of getting her a normal conditioner, I got her a leave-in conditioner. This is like super lightweight. And so yeah, that's her shampoo and her conditioner. Next, I wanted to get her shampoo, conditioner, a moisturizer. So I didn't get her a typical moisturizer since I did get her the leave-in conditioner. And with the leave-in conditioner, I'm going to be giving her this twisting cream so that she can do like her twist outs and stuff. And I think together the two of these are actually pretty moisturizing. So this will kind of like infuse your hair with moisture, because you will be using this when your hair is wet. So you use this on your wet hair, infuse it with moisture, and then you go in and you kind of like seal in with this, and this is also really thick. So the two of these together will act as the moisturizer, and this will act as the cleanser and the detangler. So yeah, and this line is actually pretty affordable, and yeah. So the next thing I wanted to get her was a protein treatment and a deep conditioner. Now, I usually use the hair cholesterol hair mayonnaise as my protein treatment, and I got her this olive oil hair mayonnaise by Vital. I've personally never used this one before, but I didn't get her the one that I use because it can't fit in the box, and I needed the box to look really neat and cute. And for her deep conditioner, I got her this hair mask. I watched a few reviews on this, and this seems like a pretty popping hair mask. And it's, like I said, it's also affordable. Now, building a kit like this can get super pricey, so you want to look for like quality products that are still affordable, and this Creme of Nature line I think is pretty affordable. So that's the protein and the deep conditioner. Then I wanted to get her like styling products, so like gels and edge controls. This line also has an edge control in it, so I got her this. I don't know how it'll work, but she'll give me a review. And I got her Eco Styler gel, though I know Eco Styler is supposed to be cancelled, but I asked. Okay, let me first start by saying that I've personally never used Eco Styler gel because I've just never used it. I usually use the Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed Elongating Gel, and that works like really great for me. So I've never had a need to use Eco Styler. So, but I did message a friend, another natural hair friend who swears by Eco Styler, and she still swears by Eco Styler. So I decided to put it in this kit. So her two styling products are the Eco Styler and the edge control. I know like when you're transitioning, gel is super important because it's like you got two different hair types. So that's why gel is important, edge control is important, styling your hair. Oh yes, I also wanted to get her some oil. So I got her the black castor oil with rosemary. No, initially I wanted to, well, I was going to put two oils in the case, a carrier oil and an essential oil. But I decided to get this 2-in-1 thing. The black castor oil, like, you know the benefits of the black castor oil, it helps your hair grow like thick and stuff like that. You can research it even more. The rosemary, from what I recall from researching rosemary, I can't remember off the top of my head right now, but I think rosemary also helps with like dry scalp, and she has extremely dry scalp, so I know this black castor oil and this rosemary thing is gonna work great for her. So 2-in-1. That is it for the products. Now the apparatus that I got her, a spray bottle, because every natural needs a spray bottle. This is for her water, or if she won't mix any random stuff in it. A smaller spray bottle. I have a small spray bottle like this that I put oils in to just spray in my scalp. So just in case she wanted to, like, I don't know, dilute this oil with something more or whatever, she has an extra spray bottle. Some elastic bands, you know, to style your hair. You want like push it, like, yeah, to style your hair. White tooth comb to detangle your hair. I did not get her the shampoo brush or any of those other styling tools that naturals seem to use. The only tool I really have is the multi-bristle brush and a white tooth comb. I don't have like a shampoo brush or any of those other things, so I didn't want to waste my money buying something that she wouldn't have used, because I personally haven't used it myself. I don't think that is super necessary, but whatever. So white tooth comb, a scissors, because you are transitioning, so you are gonna have to cut head, a satin tie band for your edges, a satin sleep cap. I got her this in leopard because she loves animal prints. Yeah, a satin sleep cap. This cholesterol cap, so for when she's doing like her protein treatments or her deep conditioners. Some regular see-through caps for just to protect her hair in the shower or when she's doing more protein treatments and deep conditioners. Microfibre towel to dry your hair, because you know you're natural now, so you should not be using a regular cotton towel. You should be using a microfiber towel. And some other styling products I got her. I got her a scarf. No, I got her this Africa print wax scarf. No, she is as extra and as bold as I am, so I don't know if this print will be like too much for her, but I got her this scarf. The reason I went for the wax material is because these These scarves are different from like normal cotton scarves. Like you don't need to sculpt this around something to get it to stay. You can literally just like tie this and leave it and it'll kind of like stay in place. I'll probably do a video to explain to you guys later. And I got her some Kanekalon so that she could do braids, because braids is a super cute transitioning style. And yeah, she has a super small head, so she only really needs 2 pats to get a full head of braids. And right now she's rocking like those sharp bobs, so this will be perfect for that. And yeah, that is what is in her transitioning kit. If you guys have any questions, you can hit me in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and do that. And I'll catch you next time.